Hi, hello, good evening to one and all watching this particular video right now. So, the hot topic which I brought up today is something which is actually a political stuff, but something which everyone must listen to. It is the politics which is happening at the peak. I could say it is exactly at the peak. You know the reason? Reason being, this entire world is suffering from a great pandemic of COVID-19 from past a month or so. And very recently, 2 days back, we had Mr. Nikhil Kumaraswamy tying knot to MLA Krishnappa's daughter, niece, Revati. And when all other marriages in this particular country are being postponed, majority of them are postponed, and only a few are happening in inside the home with just 2-3 people, just 6 to 8 people. There had been situations some 4 days back where our ex PM Devegowda and ex CM Kumaraswamy's son getting married in a green zone at Ramanagara in a farmhouse at Kerenalli. The saddest incident in this particular case is that the government which is ruling right now, which is actually a political opposition, has granted them permission. More than granting permission, when incidents at all happened, I had been waiting that there will be a justice at the end, because the law, constitution, everything is same for this every individual in this country. But it is very sad to see our CM Yediyurappa has given a clean chit to these people and said they have followed all the guidelines, they have maintained the safety, they have put up a mask, everything they have followed. And there is a fact that when you see something very practically in the eyes and you have a photograph of that, how could you ever give them a clear chit? This is some pure politics to the peak which I am seeing today, which should have never happened in a country like India. But it's really sad to notice this particular cheap politics happening, and no one is speaking for it. I mean, I just saw one TV9, an anchor called Sukanya. She spoke to it, and she bought few of the ministers online, and they said no, they had partially broken the rules, but they have followed almost all the things. And they also say that it should have been around 10 to 10 lakh people coming there. Instead, there had been only some 100 to 200 people or less than that, and that's great. But there is a government rule or the constitution which says not greater than 20 people should go to a ceremony of either marriage or a death place because of the coronavirus pandemic which is happening right now. But even when all these things are in scenario, how can he go and do a marriage of his son in a green zone? And he has done it in a green zone. He says, yeah, we have done it in a safe zone. But the point is, 48 car passes has been issued, and 48 cars have went from Bangalore to Ramnagar. And all these 48 cars which has not went once. There had been a rotation of this as well. Means the cars have come back, picked up few people, they have went back, and police have done nothing for them. Why? Because there is a corruption which is happening here. They are lending money, they are doing some business, and they are not understanding the intensity of this pandemic. They say Kumaraswamy family has around 10 to 12 doctors. Yeah, you might have 10 to 12 doctors, but are all those people literate? If they are, then they should have understood what is the intensity of this particular pandemic. And the main thing which I am very sad today is about the media. Like, I could see people like HR Rangnath and a lot of people, Radha Hiregowda of public TV, BTV, our HR Rangnath of public TV, all these people debating on this and saying, yeah, what you are doing is wrong. But what happened now? They are not speaking a word. I just see Arnab Goswami speaking few words and telling that he challenges Devegowda to come online. Where is that spirit of you people exposing the true colors of these politicians? Where has that gone? Has that all gone? Don't you have any sense? So everything is money. If they just pay you for in bulk for your channel, then do you close all this matter? I need a proper investigation of this to happen, and I will fight for it.